Hey South Africa, Stanley here from Elion Technologies. I'd like to give you a shorter demo of Teamspace. Teamspace is a cloud-based, secure content management system with the key difference that Teamspace can manage both your private storage silos and over 40 public storage silos all under the same roof. Here you will see I have 3 storage environments: my own on-premise, my personal Dropbox, and my personal Google Drive. Then there's some replication that I'm doing there for backup, and another open storage silo. So under one roof, through one authentication, that may be the Teamspace authenticated user or your Active Directory authenticated user, you can manage all your cloud providers under one roof. Teamspace supports encryption of all files, whether the cloud provider supports encryption or not. Teamspace supports versioning and managing of versioning of files, whether the underlying cloud supports it or not. Teamspace audits every touch on every file, every update, every upload, IP address, geolocation, in an audit trail, fully auditable. Then Teamspace allows me to share information. This is the key driver here. So I can share, I can create any folder or any storage silo I can convert to a shared organization folder, thus permission dependent, allowing my complete organization to work on that data, whether that be on my private storage silos or on my public Dropbox silos, because we keep work in Dropbox. This is a problem for IT managers. This is a problem for security. It's unencrypted. It's uncontrolled. Through Teamspace then encrypts and controls the disparate storage silos that your employees have all over the place. But also, as importantly, allows you then to convert those privately held Dropbox, Google Drive, Office 365, SharePoint, Alfresco, the list goes on, allows you to convert those folders either into organizational folders, therefore allowing all the members of your organization to view and manage and participate in the work within those folders. Key thing to note here, that is permission dependent, so you can still control on a folder and a file level the permissions on each folder. Group sharing is also key. Then when you're working with external and internal groups where project teams are made up of both your colleagues as well as external colleagues, you can allow group sharing with those colleagues without allowing them into your database. Teamspace also has WebDAV integration, which means any file, any Microsoft file I can open directly in MS Office. And once that file is open directly from Teamspace, I'm able to edit it, and when I save, it saves straight back into the Teamspace environment. I did not have to download it to my desktop, find it again, find the document in the storage silo, upload it, iterate it and all that stuff. I just saved straight from MS Office. It also handles media files fairly well. I can upload straight to Flickr, or I can view within the browser. No need to worry about the content of the file, or shall I say the authoring tool of the file. And of course it works also very nicely with media files. Streaming straight from the Teamspace environment. The same applies to video files. Streaming straight from Teamspace directly in the browser. Then in terms of the desktop components, we have Teamspace is mapped as a map drive on your computer, where you can again access all those cloud files directly in Windows Explorer, run scripts, run backups and various scripted jobs, and also access the information directly from there. Teamspace also has a cloud sync environment. This is probably one of the most handy features. From any folder, whether that be public or private folder within my Teamspace environment, I can set up a sync to any local folder on my computer or my tablet or my phone. So I can synchronize any cloud folder with any local folder on my desktop, on my tablet, or on my phone. I can choose the sync mode, the various deletion options, and the various scheduling options. Therefore, keeping up to date the stuff that I carry around in my pocket or in my laptop bag. This is key for people that find themselves working offline very often, and this also helps for collaboration. You know that the documentation on your desktop is the most up-to-date documentation, because if somebody's updated it on their desktop, synchronized back into the cloud, when the cloud version changes, it will update your version on your desktop as well. Well, I hope that quick fly-through demonstration has been helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me at stanley@teamspace.co.za. Thanks for watching.